back at the community gathering place today. We've got some siding up, we got some windows in, we got some electrical rough-in done. And we feel that it's really important to make sure that you paint all the edges after they've been cut before they get installed, because it makes it so that the wood doesn't take in moisture after the fact. It comes primed, and we make sure we at least get one coat of paint on it before it goes up. So on the wood trim here, we've cut out a rabbet on here so that you can hide the J, which I feel is a lot nicer look, as well as it makes it so that it is a lot better for water protection, because usually what happens is the J, which I'll just grab a piece of, is usually sits flat or flush like this, and water can get in behind here. So often what happens is people will put some caulking in behind here to make sure that it stays tight and is not getting impacted by water. But what we do is we rabbet that out and tuck it in behind. So now if water's hitting this face, it doesn't get a chance to tuck in behind there. The rabbet is we cut a 7/8 by 7/8 notch out of the 2x4 to allow the J trim to be received. J trim is part of the vinyl package, which hides all the cut joints and makes it so that the water is a lot less able to get behind the side. Thank you for watching this video, and at Buck Robertson Contracting, we do contracting with communication. If you want your house built with communication, call us today. Thank you.
Thank you.